Drop a like in the next 5 seconds. If not, you will have fly reacts. Dance moves. I will not risk it. You will look dumb. Enjoy the video. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy A Felix, and I'm back again with another banger. You can see the flag, yes sir. You know, I always have the Dominican flag. Always represent where you came from. So yeah. So this video today, I'm gonna show you a bike update. Hold on, the lighting is bad. The lighting is bad. Way better. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you guys a bike update done in the bike. If I put something new, and today I'm actually gonna clean the bike as well. You know, it's been a little dirty since I haven't cleaned the bike yet. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it. And yeah, it's gonna be a simple video. But yeah, I'm gonna clean the bike in my own room. Like, I don't need to go outside to clean my bike. I could clean it right here. Just get a shirt, water, soap. That's it. You're good. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a bike update. And yeah, let's get right to it. Alright, man, so this is the bike right now. You clearly see the difference in the bike. You clearly see the difference. Don't mind that. It's my gaming setup a little bit. Don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? I shows, and then controller, and then the new controller broke it. Don't rage, right? It's not worth it. But yeah, this is the bike right now. You know, same tires in the front. Took off the stickers right here. I thought it was like too much of stickers. And I fixed the seat. I put a new one for the others, not much. And then here we go. Brand new tires. I got them yesterday, and look how it is already. It's already. I should have picked it black, but you know it's gonna be different. I should have picked the black instead of red. It was gonna be black with this cream. I should have done that instead of this color. But you know, it's not bad. Yeah, you have the SE logo over here. SE, which will go with this. You know. And yeah, that's it. There's not much to show you guys. Oh yeah, this too. Best brakes, man. Like, I really recommend these brakes. It comes 2 of them for the rear and the front, but you know, we only use the back brakes. Come on now. And I picked it this color. I should have picked the red too, but you know, it's a bit different. Like, I put my bike so I don't get bored. Like, you ride my bike the same color, so I just pick different colors. You know, it looks like a rainbow. You know, I like it like this. I might remove those stickers right there in this video. I'm just leave this 3. It looks too extra, but you know, we will see right now what I'm about to do. And yeah, I got my little bucket with soap on it. So yeah, this is how the bike looks right now. This is how the bike looks right now. Oh, I also took this off. I'm not using this. It's too weak. I just bought it for looks, but I'm never using it again. I need to get good ones. But I'm not getting more of those until I know how to wheelie officially. Yeah. This is what bike looks right now. Everything is good conditions, everything is good. Brakes perfectly. So everything's good. And yeah, man. And then I'm gonna show some clips of me learning how to wheelie. So yeah, let's get right into the cleaning. Let's go. Switch my shirt, you know, I don't want to get my other shit dirty, so I had to put this on. I I'm wearing a hat. I switched my shirt because I want a dirty mother shirt. I'm wearing a hat because, you know, quarantine, I don't have a barber, so if I look that ugly, I look like a mess, as you can see. Yeah. So yeah, I got a shirt that I don't use that much. So yeah, let's get right into it, man. Let's go. Let's go. So the bike is clean. So you can see the tires. Now since I sand the whole frame, all I gotta do now, I'm gonna put some clear coat right here. Some clear, so you can see that's a little clear spot right there. It's gonna get like the same color that I had before, because I removed every single sticker that I have. Look at the mess I have, man. Let's look at this. But yeah, I cleaned the handwheel, took this sticker off, everything. It's gonna look way better now. So yeah, let's get right into it. So now we're gonna put the clear coat. First coat, then I would spray it.
Till day 2.
Yup. It's gone. But look what's here, man. Way better bike. Just look at it. I couldn't let this bike go. And you know, this is a big ripper. I don't know what year it is, but you know, it's a big ripper. And it's a little bit of work, but you know, not that much. But like when I told you this is the best bike, this is the best bike. And I put this yesterday. You know, you gotta be safe. Yeah, man. So you can see from here. I think it says right there, BMX. Nope, doesn't say it there. The reason why it doesn't say big ripper right there is because the people that had it before, my friend, he painted the bike in this color gray. I might do the same thing. I'll probably go for a different color. I'm not sure. You're gonna find out. He got two different, one black and then one silver. Looks really cool, you know. So one could go with the color of the bike, and then another one could go with a plate right here. Yeah, I need to fix this right here. Cause you know, it's not that much, because the bike used to be white. So I put it gray. You got the forks, brand new forks. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get a new one of this. I don't like these ones. I'm gonna take this off. I don't know, probably tomorrow. Oh, no, Saturday or something. This, I might get a different one of this. Like the same one I have saved already. I might even keep this one. I'm not sure about it. You know, keep all of this. We got the best seat right here. You can see right there. SC. You got some Maxxis in the back. I remember, guys, I couldn't fit the Maxxis in my other bike, so that's a plus for this one, because this one, it costs a lot of money. And then there you can see everything. No fake Maxxis. One side, the other side over there, and this right here too. The best thing that everybody loves about this bike is this sound right here. Bro, everybody loves the sound. Like, oh man, it sounds like so beautiful. But I couldn't, like, for the price I got this bike, I couldn't let it go, man. I couldn't. So I sold my other bike for $400, and I just got this one from a friend. It's the best one I could have got. I don't regret it, never will. I'm learning how to wheelie in this bike already. It's like, so bro, it got the quick release too, which is really useful. Yeah, man. And then here we got a little pad that says SE Racing. I could put it right there, but no, I used to leave it right down there. And then we got this. So if I get some spokes, I'm gonna get it this color. black and this color. So could go with the Maxis and then dark gray too. But yeah, man, I really like this bike. Yeah, just hold it, you know. I gotta move on for my custom build. Hope the person that got it, I know him, my friend. He's my friend too, so he's gonna take care of it too. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed my decision, and you know, we gotta move on to better things. So yeah, it's your boy Felix, and I'm out, man. Peace.
No, velo aquí. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. Ay, 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 ay.